Hi, today we're going to Hi. Today we're going to teach you on how to connect domain name. Hi. Today we're going to teach you on how to connect Godaddy domain to Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This will be a very simple video, and the first thing you need to do is go to settings, and from settings you're going to look down and look for domains right here. After clicking domain, you're going to press next to buy new domain is connect existing domain, and from here you're going to enter the domain you want to connect. So simply go to your GoDaddy portfolio, and if you have a registered account or you already have a registered domain, simply copy paste or simply type in, let's say, godaddy.com, and from there you're going to press connect manually, and after that you're going to press connect manually, and from there you're going to fix or set up your DNS settings on GoDaddy. And that's how you connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.